If you're experiencing high ping while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this easy guide to help reduce your ping and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running at optimal speeds. You can use the speed test website to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are lower than expected, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections generally provide more stable and faster internet speeds, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth. This includes streaming services, download, or any other online activities that could affect your connection. Step 4. Change server regions. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region you are connecting to. Selecting a server that is geographically closer to you can help lower your ping and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router's quality of service core settings to prioritize gaming traffic. This can help ensure that your gaming data is transmitted more efficiently, reducing lag and improving ping. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping in Red Dead Redemption 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!